Hello, it's Andy here. We've been working with independent opticians like yourselves since 2009, creating website videos, photography, and Google Street View virtual tours of your practices. In that time, we've gathered an understanding of your business, the way that you work, and how you want to communicate what you do to new and existing patients. We'd like to offer to independent opticians a service where we give support on how you communicate on social media. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms are often the first way of communicating many people now use. We can help you understand it and make it work for your independent practice. Before you commit to a costly social media contract, let us give you some guidance at no cost. Just email studio@bellyflop.tv or call us on 01282 222 620.